Bing consent mode is mandatory. If you run Microsoft ads, watch this video. So, I assume that you run Microsoft ads and that you have the Bing tag tracking on your website. If this is the case, you need to add consent mode. It's something similar to Google consent mode, very similar. And I will show you how you can check if consent mode works as expected on your website using this tool. How you can add consent mode when implementing Bing tag with PixelYourSite dedicated add-on, and the best combination, how you can manage consent mode when using our Bing add-on and ConsentMagic, our consent solution. But it's not mandatory to use our consent solution. So let's start with the simple part. When you install the Bing add-on on your website, you will have something like this. This is PixelYourSite. You will have something like this. You add the tag ID right here, and here, Bing settings page, this one, we have only one option: fire the Bing tag with consent mode granted. It means that the moment we fire the tag, we assume that you already have consent from your users, so the code will send positive consent. It will tell Microsoft, okay, this tag fires once consent was granted. It means that you need some consent solution on your website. Any consent plugin, WordPress plugin, can detect and control the Bing tag and stop it before consent is granted. We also have our dedicated filters. Here is a page link with all our filters, including one that allows such consent plugins to control our tags. So if you use a third-party consent plugin, they will be able to detect and stop the Bing tag. Once they allow Bing to work, it will have positive consent because of this option. So that's the simple implementation. The one that I recommend involves our ConsentMagic plugin. This plugin right here, it's link here. Where is it? ConsentMagic. Available on PixelYourSite.com. This does something else and better, in my view. It fires the Bing tag with negative consent mode. So Microsoft is able to detect some data, will process some data, respecting the privacy of the user. So personal data will not be processed. Similar to Google consent mode. In order to make it work like this, you can edit. Actually, this is how we will ship the GDPR rule from now on. You can edit the GDPR rule, edit, and make sure that the option for Bing tags use consent mode is turned on. With this on, instead of blocking the tag completely, we will still send events to Microsoft, but flagged with negative consent. The code looks something like this. No, here. This is a dedicated page on PixelYourSite.com explaining how it all works, and this is the code. When the user changes the consent on the consent pop-up and they say, okay, I agree to analytics or marketing, usually Bing is under marketing. Inside ConsentMagic, we have all these settings allowing you to assign a category for various tags. By default, as I said, Bing goes under marketing. So once they accept marketing related tracking, we will change the status and send the events to Microsoft with consent mode granted. So now Microsoft will process the full data that we send. And in order to detect and to understand if things work like this, you can use Bing Pixel Helper Chrome extension. So this is the extension. Install it to your Chrome browser and then load the page. And the extension is here. You will see this warning, multiple UAT tags detected, which is false. I tested this with just the bare code, not our plugin, and the warning is still there. So I think Microsoft has some bug right here, but that's not important. Go to events, open events details, and look for this parameter, ASC. When consent is granted, you'll see G right here. So in this case right here, I send events with consent granted. I can change my settings from here. I use ConsentMagic on this website, so I can configure the consent any way I want. So I will disable all, okay? Nothing will work. Bing doesn't detect this in real time. We send it in real time, but Bing needs a page refresh. So I will refresh the page to send new events, and these new events will be detected. They are not blocked, because using ConsentMagic we can do this. They are not blocked, and now events details, same parameter, and this time the value is D from denied. So it means that the data is sent to Microsoft, they get it, they process something, but respecting user privacy. So that's the way Bing consent mode is supposed to work, and in order to do it like this, you need PixelYourSite on your website, you need our Bing add-on, and ConsentMagic. Other solution might do it as well, but you have to contact the consent plugin that you use if you need a similar integration. We have filters that allow any plugin to do the same thing as we do with ConsentMagic. Now, the good news is that Bing, it's sold individually as an add-on right here. So if you use PixelYourSite, the free version of our plugin, you can buy just the Bing add-on. But it's also now part of our PixelYourSite Professional 10 and 100 domain licenses. So extra add-ons, Pinterest and Bing. So both 10 and 100 domains will get Bing and Pinterest along PixelYourSite and our super pack. Now, if you want everything that we have, Bing, Pinterest, ConsentMagic, and all our plugins, view all access license right here. This gives you access to everything that we have and that we will release in the future. So that's it. I'm Christian Stoichescu from PixelYourSite. Another thing I want to tell you, Bing add-on, we call it now Bing, I will change this later, but it also adds support for clarity tracking from Microsoft, which is pretty cool. You don't need to do anything. Once you have the universal events tracking code ID here, clarity works on your website. I will make a different video for clarity. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel.